Welcome back. We're here with our third lesson for the ukulele. Let's start by reviewing the C chord. We take our third finger, put it in the third fret on the first string. Play all four strings. Now we're going to talk about eighth notes. We've talked about whole notes, which get 4 counts, half notes, which get 2 counts, quarter notes, which get 1. Now we're going to have eighth notes. And eighth notes get half of a count. So if you put 2 eighth notes together, you end up with 1 and a half. And you shorten that by saying 1 and. So when you count eighth notes, you say 1 and. 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. And every time we play an and, we're going to do an up strum. So the down is for the regular beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the and, we play up. So it would be 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. Now there's a lot of different ways of doing that, and some people say down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's good, but a lot of times people have trouble saying down, up, and keeping it steady. And it doesn't help you count later on. So we're just going to jump right in and count the real way, and it's going to be with ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And we're going to strum up on each and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that's just something that we're going to always have in our counting today. So let's get ready to count these new rhythms. Our first pattern is going to be all eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And you would play it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The next one is going to have a quarter note followed by 6 eighth notes. And that would be counted this way. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now our next one is going to have 2 quarter notes followed by 4 eighth notes. So that would be counted this way. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. The next one is going to be 3 quarter notes with 2 eighth notes at the end. So let's try that. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Now another really common one is a quarter note followed by 2 eighth notes with a quarter note and 2 eighth notes. And that would be like this. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Or the other way around. 2 eighth notes followed by a quarter note. And that would be this. 1, 2, ready, and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now with that in mind, let's read and play our first example. Our first pattern is with a C chord, and this time it has some eighth notes. So every time you see an eighth note, you do an up strum. And you do that up strum either with the back of your thumb, where you get the nail sound, or you can use your first finger. I kind of like the first finger. So it would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, and. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, rest. 1, 2, and 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. All right, let's try it with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, play. 1. So our first song using eighth notes has just a C chord, so we make our C chord, and then we count. The first measure is labeled for us, and it just goes ready, play. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. We play that quite a ways through there, but keep your eyes open because at the end of the song there is a change. All right, so if we're ready to play it, let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, play.
Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. Johnny, Joseph, Penny, Paul, and
review the G7 chord. You put your first finger in the first fret on the second string, your second finger in the second fret on the third string, and your third finger on the first string in the second fret. And it sounds like this. And that's our G7. We played it last time. Let's play it again. And with eighth notes, it would sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, so now we know two main chords. We have a C and we have a G7. Last time we practiced going between C and G7. Let's practice some more, but this time let's play eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready, play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. See how easy that is? On this one, we're going to switch between the C, which is played like that, and the G7. And we're going to play eighth notes. And the pattern starts, ready, play, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then we switch to G7, and we play 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Back to C, and on this C we play 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go back to G7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Now, we can't have those pauses in between while we say switch to. We just have to go right through them. So if we were to play this without stopping to say switch to the other chord, you would start with the C chord and you go 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Let's try that with the accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's a good old song called Old Texas. It has a C and a G7. And there's lots of counting to do on the accompaniment. You're on the top line where it says ukulele, and then you sing on the bottom line. So let's play Old Texas. 1, 2, ready, and.
I'm going to leave old Texas now. They've got no use for the longhorn cow. They've got and fenced my cattle range, and the people there are all so strange. I'll take my horse, I'll take my roan, and hit the trail on a rope.
Here's the song, The Wheels on the Bus. Ukulele plays on top, it plays a C and a G7, and you sing on the bottom. Let's try The Wheels on the Bus. 1, 2, ready, go.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
Here is Go Tell Aunt Rhody. The top line is where the ukulele plays. The bottom one is where you sing. And you use a C chord and the G7. And the pattern is 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. All right, let's try. Go tell Aunt Rhody. 1, 2, ready, play.
Go tell Aunt Rhody. Go tell Aunt Rhody. Go tell Aunt Rhody. The old gray goose is dead.
Another chord we already know is the G chord. The G chord is a lot like the G7, just kind of the opposite. You put your first finger there, second finger there, third finger there. And there you have that. Let's play eighth notes on a G chord. 1, 2, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Here is the song. It's raining, it's pouring. You play a C chord and you play a G chord. And the pattern goes 1, 2, ready, play, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Just about like that, almost until the very end, where you play a half note. You also play for a measure, and the singer comes in later. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, play. This is A-Tisket, A-Tasket. You have a C chord and a G chord. Your first measure is a whole rest, and then it's followed by quarter notes and eighth notes. Some measures have all eighth notes, and your final measure is a whole note. So let's try A-Tisket, A-Tasket. 1, 2, ready, and. An important part to practicing is also reviewing the songs that you do know. So today we're going to review some songs from our last lesson. First one of those is Skip to My Lou. 1, 2, ready, and.
Choose your partner, skip to my loo. Choose your partner, skip to my loo. Choose your partner, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Our last review song is Day Is Done, G chord. 1, 2, ready, play, rest.
Day is